The journey of Langflow. From the very first spark of inspiration, Langflow set sail on a grand adventure, aiming to make the seas of AI more navigable for landlubbers and seasoned sailors alike. It all began during the IA Devs India Week 1 competition, where clever minds came together to forge a tool that would allow scallywags and swashbucklers to craft their own AI applications without needing to dive deep into the murky waters of code. Insights and tutorials to chart your course with Langflow. You can follow these steps. Setting sail. Start by installing Langflow on your vessel computer. It will be as simple as hoisting the Jolly Roger. Creating workflows. With a simple drag and drop interface, you can build workflows that connect various AI models and data sources. No need for a compass here, just follow your instincts. Integrating models. Langflow allows you to integrate different AI models, making it a versatile tool for all your needs. Whether you want to create chatbots or data analyzers, Langflow has you covered. Testing and deployment. Once your creation is ready, you can test it right there on the deck before deploying it to the vast ocean of the internet. How Langflow differs from other no-code tools. Now, you might be wondering how Langflow is different from other AI no-code tools. Well, let me tell you, matey. Flexibility. While many no-code tools may be like a one-size-fits-all hat, Langflow can be tailored to fit the unique needs of your projects. It allows for more customization and integration of various AI models. User-friendly. Langflow be designed for both landlubbers and seasoned coders, making it easy for anyone to jump aboard and start creating. Community-driven. The crew behind Langflow will be constantly working to improve the tool, taking feedback from users to chart a better course. Features and advantages. Visual workflow design. With its intuitive interface, you can see your entire workflow laid out before you, making it easier to spot any rogue waves that might capsize your project. Integration capabilities. Langflow can connect with a variety of APIs and data sources, giving you the power to harness the winds of data from all directions. Scalability. As your project grows, Langflow can grow with it, allowing you to add more features and complexity without having to start from scratch. Support for multiple languages. Unlike some other tools that are stuck in one tongue, Langflow supports multiple programming languages, giving you the freedom to choose the best tools for your treasure hunt. Conclusion. So there you have it. Langflow will be a mighty fine tool for any aspiring captain of AI. With its unique features and advantages, it stands tall against the competition, ready to help you navigate the vast seas of artificial intelligence. Now hoist the sails and set forth on your journey with Langflow.